Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Spice with Gift. So today I'm going to be showing us how to prepare oven baked moi moi. Let's get right into it. So this is my already washed beans. So I'm adding my tatashe, shombo, onions and garlic to the beans in the blender. And then I'm adding 2 cubes of seasoning. I've added my meat stock and then I'm adding water. And I'm blending. Okay, we'll blend until it turns into a smooth paste. I'm adding my salt to the mixture. I've added some groundnut oil and I'm stirring it. So this is my moi moi leaf and I'm going to be dressing it. I'm cutting off the withered parts to make it look a bit nice. So if you're an OG, thank you for tuning back. Thank you so much. We love you. We appreciate you. And if you're a newbies, please hit the subscribe button. Just do that right now. Do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our yummy recipes, okay? All right, so next I'm going to be placing my leaves in my baking pan and I'm going to be pouring my moi moi mixture into the pan, into the leaves as well placed in the pan. Yeah, you can see how smooth the mixture is. So you have to blend it until it forms a very smooth mixture like this, okay? So you can see how fine and smooth the texture is, and it is given. So this is my egg. I'm putting my eggs in the moi moi, and next I'll be putting this into the oven to bake. I'm going to leave this in the oven for like 40 minutes. Wow guys, can you see what we have here? Our moi moi is giving. Can you see that color? Can you see that texture? It is giving. Okay guys, this is what you get after the moi moi spent 40 minutes in the oven. Okay, see how it looks. It looks really yummy and it tastes absolutely yummy. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. So guys, tell us in the comment section what you will be complementing your moi moi with, okay? As for me, it's gonna be custard. Yes, so I'm having this for breakfast, moi moi and custard. Thank you guys for staying with us till the end of the video. Bye.